You are welcome to today's news at 7. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Akana North Central Union of Ogidi Community invites all and sundry to the New Yam Festival of the quarter on Saturday, the 13th day of September 2025 at Ajie, Okpala Square, Ire Village, Ogidi. Still in Ogidi community, the totality of the great sons and daughters of Ogidi Kingdom invite all and sundry to the launch and unveiling of the 10-kilometer road drainage with street light, ably constructed by one of the great sons of Ogidi Kingdom, High Chief Dr. Ken Emeka Nwabueze, Ajie, Okpala Ogidi, on the 13th day of September 2025 at the popular Ajie, Okpala Square, Ire Village, Ogidi. Everyone is invited to witness this memorable occasion. Have you gone through terrible times in life? Did it make you to almost give up in the pursuit of your dreams? Do you think it's a story worth listening to? This is my story. Do you have a story to tell? This is the right opportunity for you to tell that your story, and the world wants to listen to your story now. This is my story. Join me every Thursday, 7 p.m. on this channel as I bring to you the stories of people that have crossed the burning fires of the challenges of life towards becoming who they have become. This program is going to be insightful, interesting, and enriching with messages you would like to know. This program is supported by Victory Royal Hotel and Suites, Ogidi, Anambra State. More sponsors are welcome. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. See you on Thursday, 7 p.m. This program is ably supported by Vital Wireless and Kentuta Homes Limited. This is CIA News. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a wonderful day ahead. In the day, whenever and wherever, we are here for you.